If you find yourself in financial difficulty and unable to pay your Welsh Water bill, it's important that you contact us as soon as possible. There are things that we can do to help you. Welsh Water has several customer assistance tariffs, one of which is unique in the UK water industry, and these support people who are experiencing difficulty in paying their water charges. These include cap charges for low-income families and payment methods where charges are reduced where payments are taken directly from benefits. We want to do all that we can to help people, especially in the current tough economic climate. We know that for many people, paying their water bills isn't easy. That's why we want to provide help and support at the earliest opportunity. We provide a range of tariffs and payment methods designed to suit individual needs. The Welsh Water Assist tariff caps your bill at £228. That's at least £50 off most customers' bills. To be eligible, you'll need to meet certain criteria, which includes your supply must be a household-only supply, not a business. The bill payer or a member of the household must be in receipt of a qualifying benefit or tax credit, such as income support, income-based job seekers allowance or pension credit, amongst others. You can check our website or phone us to check if you're eligible. The number to phone is 0800 052 0145. You must also have 3 or more children under the age of 19 living at home for which you are claiming child benefit. Or someone in the household must have a medical condition that requires significant additional amounts of water, such as psoriasis or incontinence.
Having been on the Welsh Water Assist, it's really sort of made things a lot easier. Just even having that sort of weekly small amount back has made a difference to me paying other bills or going on, the children. Well, financially, since I've been on it, it's a huge difference. We had £130 back payment, which came in handy for Christmas. It was just before Christmas, which was lovely, as you can imagine. And we've saved an overall yearly of £220, which is amazing.
Our Water Direct scheme is run in conjunction with the Department of Work and Pensions. The scheme is designed to support customers with arrears on their water charges and in receipt of the following benefits: income support, income-based job seekers allowance, pension credit, employment support allowance. Under the Water Direct scheme, your payments to us are deducted directly from your benefits. This will reduce your annual bill by £25. Your current year charges are paid automatically, as well as a proportion of any arrears. You need not worry about when payments are due or about missing a payment. Many customers find this helps them budget for their water charges.
I'm a single mother with 3 children, which is great on time, so financially it can be a bit of a struggle. My rent is paid through my wages because I work for the council, so they deduct my rent then out of my wages, which is easier for me. Water bills are included in the rent, yeah. A council man came and knocked my door with all the forms, told me all about it, helped me and filled the forms in for me, and then sent me a cheque with a refund of the money. The cheque came then just before Christmas. It was £150, and that came in handy then, Christmas time. Throughout the year, I save about £230 being on the new tariff.
We may also be able to offer you help from our Customer Assistance Fund, which could reduce the amount that you owe. If you're experiencing severe financial hardship, such as loss of job or illness, and are unable to pay your water charges, we may be able to offer you some exceptional support. Please call us on 0800 052 0145 or check our website for the names of agencies who can talk to you about this scheme. Money advice agencies, such as Assistance Advice Bureau, can also offer free, independent, impartial and confidential advice.
If you go to your local Citizens Advice Bureau, one of the things we'll do if you're struggling with debt is we look at maximising your income to make sure you're getting all the benefits you're entitled to. We'll also check out things like the Welsh Water Assist tariff or the Welsh Water Customer Assistance Fund to see whether or not you actually qualify for one of those. If you do, you can either have your water rates bill reduced quite substantially or your arrears dealt with. We recently dealt with a client who we were able to get £1,200 worth of water rates arrears paid for by the Welsh Water Customer Assistance Fund. So it's really well worth doing and looking into to make sure that if you are eligible, you're making the best use of it.
As the independent consumer watchdog, we know that many people in Wales struggle to pay their bills, and we've worked with Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water on these initiatives. They're unique in the industry and we're very pleased to support them, and we would encourage everyone who's struggling to pay their bill to check out if they would qualify for any of these benefits or if they're on the correct tariff.
Please don't ignore any problems you may be having in paying your bill. Talk to us immediately and we'll try to find a way to help. Call us on 0800 052 0145 or visit our website at www.dwrcymru.com.